Mykonos has the reputation of being an idyllic Greek island, and here we explored the whitewashed streets and alleys of Mykonos town, as well as the famous windmills. We also discovered the best options to get from the cruise port to Mykonos town.
So once you get off the cruise ship, you're greeted by shuttle buses and also a sea bus that will take you into Mykonos town. You're also greeted by an inviting esplanade heading in the direction of the town. Being regular walkers, and also that Google Maps suggested it was only a 25-minute walk into town, we opted for the esplanade. However, as we learned, you walk this route into town at your own peril.
Yes, the esplanade soon runs out and you end up road walking along precarious, narrow, cliffside roads, and when the buses pass, this can be quite unsafe.
However, having completed the walk, we soon found ourselves at the pretty harbourside area where both people and animals were enjoying some food and some drink.
Then it was time to explore the many alleys and windy streets of Mykonos, slowly climbing up so that we could take in the views across the bay. The local community paints the houses and streets white each Easter time, and this tradition gives the town a sparkling clean appearance and is absolutely stunning. There are also so many windmills other than 6 famous ones on the harbour side. There are also lots of small chapels and churches all over the town, with most open for visitors to explore.
Then we were off to visit the site of the 6 famous windmills, which is a site popular with tourists. The locals keep the community of stray and feral cats fed with piles of treats and bowls of water. So then we went shopping for snacks and refreshments, and we went and found a nice spot on the rocks to sit, eat and soak up what a gorgeous place this was. Then we wandered through the Little Venice area for some shopping and to find somewhere for a bite to eat. And this area is a maze of narrow alleys and streets packed with great shops and great restaurants, and we found a charming little taverna and enjoyed some really tasty souvlaki. And then we explored more of the old town area and the harbourfront area with its plentiful sights and absolutely stunning chapels.
We then took the sea bus back to the ship. Quite simply, Mykonos was an absolutely beautiful place, and we would like to have a longer holiday here. Thank you, Mykonos. You helped us find our idyllic Greek island paradise.
Supporting our channel helps us make more content like this, and the easiest way to do that is to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks very much.